One of the things I talk about most is diversifying or diversification and how it's very important in investing, but it's important in all aspects of life as well. My name is Sarah Riopelle, and I'm a Vice President and Senior Portfolio Manager at RBC Global Asset Management. So I manage all of our firm's multi-asset and balanced solutions, so that's about $190 billion worth of assets on behalf of about 1.8 million Canadians. In high school, I was actually selected to be the accountant for the school store, and that's what sort of prompted me to get an interest in business. And so I decided to go to business school, and I went to the University of Ottawa. And then I was really interested in traveling internationally, and so I decided to do the double major in finance and international management. The fact that Telfer was so supportive in my early years was really instrumental in getting me to where I am today.
Hi, my name is Anastasia. I'm a Director of Corporate Development at Dental Corp. So I chose the Capital Markets program, and for me that was a huge bonus to get that real-world experience, be able to dip your toe into the career that you are pursuing.
The Telfer Capital Markets program is a group of students who are responsible for managing the Telfer Capital Fund. And the Telfer Capital Fund is actually real money which is donated by companies in the industry, and it allows them to get real-world experiences about investing money on behalf of the fund and getting the experience as to what it feels like to have successes but also failures.
During my time in CMP, with one of our events in Toronto, we got to meet our mentor that we were matched with for the year. And so for her, how she helped me progress was she tried to help me understand other areas in finance that I'd probably excel in.
So I'm a mentor for the Capital Markets program at Telfer, and so every year I am paired up with one of the students who's in the program. It's such a rewarding experience. I fundamentally believe in the benefits of diversity in decision making, and so it's not just about gender diversity, which is extremely important, but it's also about diversity of educational backgrounds, experiences, ethnicity, all types of diversity. If you bring different types of people together into a group or into a room and to tackle a problem, you're going to get a lot of different approaches and different ways of thinking, and it's going to lead to better results in the end.